Crypto Beanie, Season 8, coming back at you guys with another daily in-depth technical analysis on Dogelon Mars. If you haven't checked out the last video, I'll give a brief update as what the heck is going on with Bitcoin and Dogelon Mars. So, as you guys already know, Dogelon Mars is quite tied to Bitcoin a lot, which means if Bitcoin goes up, Dogelon Mars goes up by a 3 to 4x multiple most of the time. So as we can see, Bitcoin is pushing to these highs at the moment. We still have a little bit to go, a couple thousand, until we hit these $108,000, $109,000 levels, and possibly even these $110,000 levels. And I did say in the last video, we are coming to a top on the RSI, which means we're looking for a little retracement, but hopefully it can look something like this, to where the RSI comes down, even though the price goes down very, very slightly, and then it goes up, makes new highs, continues to push down, move higher. That is an option we're seeing here, especially with these technicals, as we formed in a doji, and we're currently trying to break the top of it around these $105,000 levels. If we see that, Dogelon Mars will be back over $100 million market cap, and we will continue to push in the meantime. Let's get into some technicals on Dogelon Mars, some levels that we need to watch, and see what the heck is going on. So as you can see here, RSI on Dogelon Mars is also 72, which is pushing above, trying to push above the 1750 levels, which is our previous level of resistance. We are seeing a nice 3 candle bullish structure forming here, and as long as it closes today with this green candle and opens tomorrow above the 1750s, we should see another push into these 20 levels. Okay, above these 20s, this 20 level might be a little bit of resistance. Hopefully not. Hopefully we see Bitcoin just bust through those all-time highs and continue to move higher. That will also give Dogelon Mars just no reason to even retrace, as more money is flowing in, and the money that is in here is worth more. But yeah, once we see it bust through these 20s, we have those 25s, and past that we have these tops around these 32s, and then of course this crazy spike we saw here all the way up at these 67s. Okay, so if you guys got in when you were supposed to, which was down here when the market cap was around 60 to 80 mil, then you will be in profits right now. And yeah, right now it's currently a hold. We're just waiting for a sign of weakness. If we go down to the 1 hourly candles, we can see a red candle starting to form. Now what we need to see is this push come down, test these 1650s, and then reverse and push higher, or just push higher in the meantime as we're waiting for it to break those previous resistance levels. So yeah, I did say we could see a double top on Bitcoin, but hopefully that it doesn't happen around this $110,000 level. If it pushes up to there and we see a rejection, it could be heading back down all the way to previous supports around these $88,000 levels. Keep that in mind, but I hope that's not what we're going to see. On the flip side, we could push through and make another move higher to around these $148,000, $155,000 levels in the next couple months. Now, if we do see that, our Dogelon Mars will be worth a lot. So keep that in mind. I do want to compare it real quick to some other coins, like Fartcoin is down 4.4% on the day, which is weird to see. Pepe is up 10%, which is cool to see, but comparing that to Dogelon Mars is up 12% today. So we are seeing a little bit of traction starting to come back in, which is good. Exactly what we've been waiting for. Now let's just continue to hodl and wait until one of two things happens. We come up to a major point of resistance and see a huge rejection, which we most likely might, or we break through all-time highs. Either way, I recommend having two different trading accounts, right? One to day trade with, churn money, and then one to long time hold. Okay, so currently I have two accounts. They're both roughly around the same size. One, and they both have the entry around that $60 million market cap level, as I was averaging in more lower. So one of them I trade with, which means when it comes up to resistance and we start to see weakness, I sell. The other one, I hodl the crap out of it, because I got in. We all got in at super duper lows here. So yeah, everything's looking good. We just got to stay patient. This is the time to wait until we see how we react into these levels here, because it looks like we're going there. We just broke through these previous resistances at 1572 within the last 7 days. So yeah, keep that in mind, guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Crypto Beanie 69 out.